In the rapidly evolving landscape of global finance, the lines between traditional banking and innovative financial technology are increasingly blurred. This brings us to the core of our analysis. Is a Wise account, formerly TransferWise, a genuine bank account? As a project management expert, I approach this question with a structured, analytical mindset, breaking down the components and functionalities to provide a clear and concise answer. Defining the project scope. Understanding the core question. Before diving into the specifics, let's establish the project scope. We need to define what constitutes a bank account in the traditional sense and then compare it to the features offered by Wise. This requires us to understand the key functions of a bank account and how Wise aligns or deviates from them. Breaking down the work packages, traditional bank account functions. To accurately assess Wise, we must first identify the essential functionalities of a traditional bank account. These can be categorized as follows. Deposit and withdrawal services. Banks allow customers to deposit and withdraw funds, either in person, through ATMs, or via online platforms. Lending and credit facilities. Banks provide loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit to customers, enabling them to borrow money. Interest-bearing accounts. Banks offer savings accounts and fixed deposits that accrue interest, allowing customers to earn returns on their funds. Financial security and regulation. Banks are subject to strict regulatory oversight, providing customers with a level of financial security and protection. Payment processing and check services. Banks facilitate payment processing, including check issuance and clearing, and electronic transfers. Financial advisory services. Some banks offer financial advisory services, helping customers manage their investments and plan for their financial future. Analyzing the work packages, Wise account functionalities. Now, let's examine the features and functionalities offered by Wise, treating them as individual work packages within our project. Multi-currency accounts and balances. Wise allows users to hold and manage balances in multiple currencies, facilitating international transactions. This is akin to having multiple sub-accounts within a single platform. Local bank details. Wise provides users with local bank details in various countries, enabling them to receive payments as if they had local accounts. This simplifies international money transfers. International money transfers. Wise specializes in facilitating international money transfers at real exchange rates, often at lower costs than traditional banks. Debit card and spending. The Wise debit card allows users to spend their multi-currency balances like a local, simplifying international spending. Business accounts with added features. Wise offers business accounts with features like batch payments, accounting software integrations, and team access, catering to the needs of international businesses. No lending or credit facilities. Wise does not offer loans, credit cards, or other forms of credit. No interest-bearing accounts. Wise does not offer savings accounts or fixed deposits that accrue interest. E-money institution, not a traditional bank. Wise operates as an electronic money institution, EMI, subject to different regulations than traditional banks. Applying project management principles. Comparing and contrasting. Using a project management approach, we can compare and contrast the functionalities of traditional bank accounts and Wise accounts. This allows us to identify the similarities and differences, leading to a more informed conclusion. Similarities. Both allow for the holding and management of funds. Both facilitate payment processing and money transfers. Both offer debit card services for spending. Differences. Wise specializes in international money transfers, offering real exchange rates and low fees, while traditional banks often have higher fees and less transparent exchange rates. Wise does not offer lending or credit facilities, while traditional banks do. Wise does not offer interest-bearing accounts, while traditional banks do. Wise operates as an electronic money institution and not a traditional bank. Therefore, regulation is different. Defining the project deliverables. Answering the core question. Based on our analysis, the answer to the question, is Wise a bank account? Is no, not in the traditional sense. While Wise offers many of the functionalities of a bank account, it lacks some essential features, such as lending, credit facilities, and interest-bearing accounts. Wise operates as an electronic money institution, focusing on facilitating international money transfers and providing multi-currency accounts. It's a specialized tool designed for individuals and businesses dealing with international transactions, rather than a full-fledged bank offering a comprehensive range of financial services. Addressing potential challenges. Understanding the regulatory framework. Just as a project manager must be aware of potential risks and challenges, we need to understand the regulatory framework surrounding Wise. As an EMI, Wise is subject to different regulations than traditional banks. This means e-money regulations. Wise is regulated under e-money regulations, which focus on safeguarding customer funds and ensuring compliance with anti-money laundering and Know Your Customer (KYC) requirements. Deposit protection. Funds held in Wise accounts are typically safeguarded by being held in segregated accounts with established banks. However, they may not be covered by the same deposit protection schemes as traditional bank accounts. Regulatory oversight. Wise is subject to regulatory oversight in the jurisdictions where it operates, ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations. Project closure. Key takeaways. Wise is a powerful financial tool that simplifies international money transfers and management. It offers a range of features that cater to the needs of individuals and businesses operating globally. However, it's essential to understand that Wise is not a traditional bank account. It's a specialized platform designed to streamline international financial transactions, offering real exchange rates, low fees, and multi-currency accounts. While it shares some similarities with bank accounts, it lacks essential features like lending, credit facilities, and interest-bearing accounts. From a project management perspective, it's crucial to understand the specific functionalities and limitations of Wise to determine its suitability for your financial needs. If you require lending or credit facilities, a traditional bank account may be more appropriate. However, if you're looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to manage international transactions, Wise can be a valuable asset. By understanding the regulatory framework and the specific features offered by Wise, you can make an informed decision about whether it aligns with your financial objectives. This analytical approach, akin to a project management review, ensures clarity and informed decision-making in the complex world of global finance.